In this video, we're going to look at SPY here on the weekly chart. This is going to be your whole market in here. This is the ETF of the S&Ps. Basically, volatility upon more volatility kicking in here today. You have that nice all-time high this morning, 652. Then that big drop down to 643 and recovery in here to about 647.21 is where we ended up, down almost $2 from yesterday's close. Basically, everybody's pricing in and speculating on that the Fed, Jerome Powell, they are going to end up cutting interest rates 25 basis points in September. That's what it's looking like in here. And there's actually hints going around that they're going to cut them twice in 2025, but we will see what happens in here going forward. Now, as far as our weekly chart in here, what are we looking at? Well, obviously, we got this high in here, 652.21. That's our all-time high in here. Anything above that, nice whole number, 653, 654, etc., until the chart tells us otherwise, or we get up to the top of this Bollinger Band right here, which is going to be 668. Now, as far as our supports go, you have a little something right here at that right around that 637.59 area right in here. This was a spot for us where it was resistance for us here in about 3 weeks, and then kind of set up shop in here. So that is going to be something that we're looking at for a major support. Anything below that, basically 625, then we're looking down here at the 616 and the 609 areas. Now, the volatility in here obviously did pick up today. A little bit got sucked out as we ended the day in here, but still your IV rank in here is at 11, right around a $2 expected move coming in by Friday. By Tuesday 4, you're looking around $5 on the 10th in here. And if you go all the way out to Friday, right around a $7 expected move is what's being priced in. So we're going to see what happens in here. Obviously, the big number to now breach is going to be 650. And then we're going to work on those 652 all-time highs again. We're going to see if we can hold, because in the past few weeks here, every time we get close to 650, it gets basically just sold really, really quick right off the top. So that is going to be something that we're going to be concerned with as we work our way back up there again. So maybe a couple more dollars, and then that's going to give us another hint. Are we going to end up selling it off again, or are we going to just kind of breach and go right through? That's going to be the question in here. We got to watch our volume, watch our net flow and all that overall to see what is going to happen as we continue into next week. But all in all, not a bad day in here to trade. Nice volatility kicking in. You had that nice whiplash in here overall. You can play this thing either way and still made money in here today. So we're going to see what happens as we open up next week. And 650 is going to be our number. 652 is what we're looking at. And then 637.59, that's going to be our major support that we are going to watch. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.